What do you mean? We're making banana chips. But we don't have oil. You need to buy first to make. Pero babad mo muna to. Bili ka ng sugar. May red sugar. No? Pwede yun. Ano yan? I-ganon mo na lang.
Matamis na to. Hindi mo na kailangan.
Lima lang. Banana chips. You want to see, guys? Slicing like that. Small is small. You see? Very small. Hello! Daria Bayomi. Hello, Blow 14. Shut up. Look. We'll make banana chips.